I told all of you guys not to be scared of those dips. And if you checked out any of my videos, you will see that I was predicting that this was going to be a nice, fun week. Tesla reached all-time highs today. So it was a great day because both Tesla and GBTC did really, really well. So let's dive right into it. But first, if you sign up today, you will get 4 free stocks from Webull. Again, if you sign up today, you will get 4 free stocks from Webull. Those stocks can range from a couple of dollars all the way up to $1,600. You can get lucky with a stock like Tesla or even Google. But the key is to sign up with my referral link, and when you sign up, you will have to make an initial $100 deposit. But once you make that deposit and you receive your free stock, you could take that $100 out. Not bad. Sign up today. I'm Angelo, and here is the Coda Monster. Welcome back. All right, let's get started, guys. The stock actually reached new all-time highs today, surpassing the 654 that was hit last week. This is an amazing sign heading into tomorrow. Now, I don't know exactly what's going to happen. I'm not Miss Cleo, but I could assure you tomorrow, being the final day before all of this buying comes, we're going to see a lot of volatility and a lot of movement from Tesla stock tomorrow. But don't say I told you so. So to break things down, today the stock price ended at 654.90, which was up 5.32%. Not bad. It did drop, and the market's still open, so in the after hours it dropped 1.20%, but not too shabby because we are still in the all-time high region where I strongly feel like we're going to test that tomorrow. Could we hit 700 tomorrow? Could we hit 720 tomorrow? I think it all depends on the volume. And like I was saying, all week we had small volume, especially a week where there's a lot of index buyers that are supposed to come in before Monday. So if they haven't bought yet, at some point they will. And I think that's what we started to see today. For those of you that might be lost, it's simple. Buy Tesla. Also, like I showed you in the last video about dollar cost averaging, not panicking on those dips with Tesla allowed me to buy cheaper shares, and exactly what happened today, now you can see the power of it. With buying those shares at lower numbers, I brought my overall average down so that now when the stock price goes to an all-time high, I'm making even more. If you have any questions about dollar cost averaging or about my strategy, please let me know in the comments below. Like I mentioned about Bitcoin and GBTC, this stock went up almost 20% at one point today. It ended the day at about 9.45%, but I still think this is just beginning. As I mentioned in my previous video, Bitcoin has many applications, and I feel that we're finally adopting the technology. I also saw today that Coinbase, platform allowing you to trade cryptocurrency, is considering having an IPO, an initial public offering, which is humongous news for the crypto world and for the whole blockchain Bitcoin conversation. And if you don't understand what I'm saying, buy GBTC. As always, I am no financial advisor, nor do I claim to be one. However, based on my knowledge, based on what's happening in the world, I see opportunity and I would like to share that. I'm just looking for a Christmas present. And maybe Coda too. And switching gears back to Tesla really quick, you're talking about a real company with real products solving real problems. This is exactly why I'm focused on Tesla. Name one other company that you think cuts across multiple verticals and quite honestly is vertically integrating in so many ways. When I started these videos, Tesla was at $610. That was just Monday. So my final question, what side do you want to be on? The side of history, joining one of the most remarkable companies we've ever witnessed? Or do you just want to watch it? You make your decision. But I know where I'm going to be. And if you find the content useful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'm Angelo. And this is Coda, and we'll see you soon.